Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use new shortcut bar feature on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and the first thing that you should do is open up your App Store or Google Play and then update your Snapchat to the latest version. Just search for a Snapchat, and then if this button says update, just hit on that and wait until the latest Snapchat version is downloaded and installed. Once you did that, you can just hit add open button to move on to the Snapchat, and once you are on the Snapchat app, just right here hit add that chats icon to move on to the chats. Now, right here, you can see all your chats, and all you have to do in order to show up a new shortcut bar is just swipe down, and here it is. That's new shortcut bar. Helps you to organize all your snaps. You can select the first icon and it shows you now just group conversations. You can easily find the group conversations in that simple way. The second icon is Stories. By selecting that icon, you can easily find all the unwatched stories on Snapchat. The next one is Unread. In the same way, you can easily find all the unread conversations on the Snapchat. After the unread messages stop, you can easily find shortcuts that you manually created, and the plus button, you can tap on that to create your custom shortcuts or to edit the existing. If you want to edit some shortcuts, you can just tap on that shortcut, and then you can, in that simple way, add here new members or remove anyone, and then you can hit on save to edit that shortcut. And also you can hit right here add new shortcut to create new one, and new shortcut will be always displayed right here at that shortcut bar. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my another Snapchat tutorials. You can easily find the Snapchat playlist in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.